Hello and welcome to my basement of the Brig Night of the Bridges.
Hey, so
you don't know
we want
the
to
story.
We want to introduce you
to our Mr. Magical Friend. You don't know him yet, but you're about to. You're about to.
That's what his name is.
Okay.
It's me.
It's Mr. Duffy, Mr.
Mr. William Tidwell. And
my name is Lindsay McFarland.
Yeah. Lindsay and William to
and
the rescue.
We used to work together at the high school instead of taking classes.
We used to pick up the nails
We used to pick
off
up
the ground.
nails for 10 cents a piece. Mind you, Mr. Jensen.
Mr. Spadansky.
Scatty Rolls paid us 19 cents a piece for every wood chip. We almost had enough to buy a dinner one time.
Well, my paycheck was pretty big one time.
I never got my paycheck.
None did I.
He's pretty mean guy.
He said it went to the drama club.
He said that he's going to steal all my money and make lots and lots of costumes for the drama club.
For like that one show on 30
Mile and Nilla Shakes.
Nilla Shakes.
Do you guys know?
I like Nilla Shakes.
I love Nilla Shakes more than I like laundry.
Yeah. But you know what my favorite
What?
Nilla Shake place is?
McDonald's! Yay! William's my brother.
And
Lindsay.
Lindsay.
Our parents had us, and then we had sex. And we are now.
Not us.
No, parents
had
sex.
They went like this.
Why are our names different?
Your daddy's different.
My daddy not black.
Don't say that about him.
He's white.
Okay. Now, about the shakes.
Regardless.
The Nilla shake.
What flavor shake is the most important out of every shake flavor? Chocolate or Nilla? Chocolate or Nilla?
Choco Nilla
Shake.
Nilla shake.
Nilla shake.
Nilla, it's so Nilla. Who out there believes that Nilla shake is the best? Raise your hand.
Today, Nilla Shake, my brother, Mr. William Tidwell, was talking to me, and he mentioned the fact that he turns into a
Choo-choo train.
Nobody knows it. Not everybody knows it. You gotta be quiet. You gotta be really quiet about it.
Quiet.
But if anyone finds out that Mr. William Tidwell can also be a train station, the whole world is going to explode.
It's gonna go
and
boom.
A blankie will be the only thing to save us from the nuclear power plant.
If the nuclear, see, this is what happened this one time. There was an explosion by the nuclear power plant that was living next to our house, and I told Lindsay here that we need to get underneath this blanket right here. This blanket.
No.
And if we don't, nobody will listen.
Everybody
else
said, "Oh, we gonna go in the basement. Oh, we gonna be safe."
Yeah, well, that ain't gonna happen no more.
Girl.
This is a blanket. This blanket right here saved our lives. All the Nilla. Not the Nilla shake. Oh God, I keep on thinking about the Nilla shake.
I know you want Nilla shake.
Now, I want to show you a secret, okay? What? She told you already that I turn into a choo-choo train. You gonna watch me turn into a choo-choo train.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bye, guys. It was nice talking to you. But now we are trains.